G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're today at a fantastic home, 41 Helsham Street in the popular seaside suburb of Point Vernon. The Esplanade is at the end of the street. We're actually only one block back and there's a fair bit to see, so let's go take a look around. Enviably located on a low maintenance 655 square metre corner allotment in one of Hervey Bay's most popular seaside suburbs of Point Vernon, this home will make the perfect home base to return to between your nomadic travels, with purpose-built space to accommodate RVs, caravans and boats. This home is only one street back from the Esplanade, so you will enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being able to take a morning stroll while watching the sunrise, or an afternoon walk with the last rays of light as it fades out across those emerald waters of Hervey Bay. You're also only minutes away from the Gatakers Bay boat ramp for those who enjoy their fishing. You will enjoy the convenience and lifestyle that comes with having other essential amenities all only minutes away, including Stockland Shopping Centre, hospitals, medical centres, golf course, beach, Esplanade, cafes, restaurants and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. This quality built, split level home was completed around 1990 and has been tastefully refurbished over time with an array of quality appointments and features an open, light-filled design. You will enjoy the fusion of classic lines and modern finishes that really create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is definitely more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The kitchen really does form the heart of this home and includes an electric cooktop with range hood, dishwasher and a pantry, plus you've got ample storage and bench space for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and special occasions, while overlooking that vast open plan indoor dining and main living area. You will enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate from the coveted north-facing alfresco dining area, which seamlessly connects with the internal living zones. You also have a large veranda to the front of this home with shade blinds. This home offers great separation with all three spacious bedrooms being thoughtfully placed away from each other so everyone can enjoy their own space and privacy. The main bedroom is located on its own level and is large enough to become its own private retreat and features 2 ceiling fans as well as its own balcony with shade blinds, and you've got a huge walk-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite. The bathroom has been tastefully refurbished and includes a large freestanding spa bath, a shower and vanity, as well as the toilet. The laundry includes good storage and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the 4-bay garage with workspace, and 2 of those bays feature high entry, making them ideal for 4-wheel drives and SUVs. Plus, there is a high entry carport specifically for large RVs, caravans and boats. This home even offers the opportunity to stand in the kitchen and see the Esplanade and those emerald waters of Hervey Bay. And the owners are not testing the market as they've already committed to purchasing another property. So here is your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You will only be disappointed if you miss this one.